Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add effects to just the overlay on CapCut PC. So select your overlay and add it on top of like the background or the video background or whatever. I'm actually going to change it. Maybe I'll leave it like that. So select effects here and select one that is noticeable, like this one. I'm just going to add it. And I'm just going to adjust it till the end of the clip, and to just add it on the overlay, select the overlay and effects, right click and then create compound clip, and as you can see it's only applied to the overlay. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!